What if I told you Ukraine just pulled off one of the boldest tech-driven military strikes of the 21st century, using drones hidden in trucks, inside Russian territory, for over a year? Yep, it just happened, and it changed everything. Over 40 Russian aircraft, including strategic bombers and even a Beriev A-50 radar plane, damaged or destroyed. Total estimated losses, a jaw-dropping $7 billion. Welcome to the age of stealth logistics and next-gen drone warfare. The operation, codenamed Spiderweb, wasn't your average airstrike. Ukrainian intelligence smuggled drones inside decoy vehicles and positioned them near 5 key Russian airbases: Belaya, Dyagalevo, Ivanovo-Severny, Olenya, and Voskresensk. These drones sat dormant for months and were suddenly activated, striking with surgical precision. Targets included long-range bombers like the Tu-95, Tu-160, and Tu-22M, aircraft often used to launch missile attacks on Ukraine. And most notably, an A-50 early warning aircraft, Russia's airborne radar eye. Russia has admitted the attacks happened, calling them terrorist acts. But even more telling, they responded with their largest drone and missile barrage since 2022, killing 12 people in eastern Ukraine. Here's the real kicker. This operation wasn't just military. It was a tech masterclass. Ukraine used remote activation, GPS jamming evasion, and long-term concealment, a strategy with major implications for both national security and commercial drone logistics. And let's not forget the business angle. These losses have cost Russia billions, impacted defense production, and will shake investor confidence in military resilience across conflict zones. We're watching the future unfold, where wars aren't just fought on battlefields but through servers, signals, and silent machines hidden in plain sight. So here's my question to you. If this kind of drone warfare becomes the norm, what industries, outside the military, do you think will be impacted next? Logistics, surveillance, civil aviation? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'm reading all of them. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the science and tech shaping our world.